This is the mail sorting facility. Look at all this mail that needs to be sorted.
Hi everybody, Joe from Miniature Landscape Hobbies, and I'm back with yet another unboxing. Thank you for tuning in. So, as always, I have a trouble fitting this on my unboxing table because my son Mitchell and I are still playing the Bagration campaign, so my hobby table and game spread's taken up by another game actually right at the moment. So I've just got to sort of squish this in at the end of the table. I'll put a video up here of what's currently on the table to my left so you can see it. It's a rather big game going on. Russians versus Germans. Russians are the defenders, Germans are the attackers. Just another game in the Bagration campaign. If you haven't got the Bagration Firestorm supplement, I've talked about it several times in my videos. And if you play Flames of War, I really can't recommend it enough. It's an absolute ton of fun. But anyways, you guys are probably here to see what I've got in this box. And, well, I really can't wait to show you. Okay, lots of stuff here. Ooh, it looks like Axis allies. Good stuff. That's some exciting new options. All right, let me pull the box out of the way and I'll lay out the pieces one at a time as I pull them out. So, Finns. Finnish infantry platoon. Finnish unit cards. Oh, and Hungarian unit cards. So these are kind of small packages because the Axis Allies book included 3 different armies with fairly limited options in terms of formations, although you can really make a good variety of formations. I decided to focus on both Finnish and Hungarians for now. My plan is to make a couple formations of each to go pad out my German Axis armies. Hungarian rifle platoon. Another Hungarian rifle platoon. So I can make a formation. Finnish command cards. Hungarian command cards. Oh, the new gaming tins here with the dice and the tokens for Germans and Soviets. I've been playing Flames of War for probably about 3 or 4 years, but I had yet to get proper tokens until recently, so I thought I better spring for the proper plastic tokens rather than my improvised ones. Okay, now my son is particularly interested in the British. He likes British military history, collects British things, so he wanted the collector's pin for the British, so I ordered that for him. And been spreading the hobby love a little bit. D-Day British, I already have most D-Day British stuff, but my brother-in-law is fairly new into Flames of War and is playing the British, so I thought I'd help him along with some of the reference materials. And saving the best for last, the really exciting stuff, the Hungarian Starter Force. Three more Panthers, 3 Hetzers, 3 Stugs. The Stugs will be going into my German army because I need them to complete the Stug formation. I got the escort platoon in a previous unboxing, and I need more Stugs in order to make that formation work. And then 4 Zurinis and 4 Howitzers for the Hungarians. The Zurinis are pretty exciting. A lot of players are talking about them. They're an interesting vehicle. I guess it's an assault gun, really, not a tank, but it's interesting in that it's pretty good as an anti-tank weapon, and it's also pretty good as an artillery piece. So there aren't that many vehicles in the game that are really truly flexible like that. So I thought, boy, it would be great to have a full Zerini company, which means also more Zerinis. So another box of 5 Zerini. A new plastic model. Really don't know much about it. Did a little historical reading, so it's going to be fun to learn even more about it and to assemble these and get these on the table in support of my Germans, of my Axis. So there you go, just a quick little unboxing. Some new plastic soldiers to play with. And of course, with this new ammunition for the channel, I'll be featuring some paints and builds on these products in the future, so you can see how to prepare them or paint them for yourself, or if I make a mistake, how not to paint them or prepare them for yourself. So there you have it, a quick unboxing. We'll be back for the next episode with a how-to on terrain or model painting, something exciting and instructional. So until then, remember to always keep building life in miniature.